Hi friends, welcome to Simple Recipe. Today, let's see how to make spicy pancakes without egg and maida. For these pancakes, we need curd, sweet corn, wheat flour, salt, water, and finely chopped onions, green chilli, and coriander. Mix all of these well by adding water slowly. Spread some oil on the pan and make your pancakes with the batter we prepared. Remember to keep the heat on medium. If not, your pancakes may get burnt. It's well cooked. Now your pancakes are ready. Thank you all for watching.
Eat healthy and stay safe.